Welcome to Trendy. Today we are going to review this palette, this Pro Makeup Core Natural Profusion Face Palette, and it is a contour palette and it has been used for like a long time, and there are some highlighter and some contour shades, and you can maximum use it for like 2 months. Overall it costs around 900 rupees, and let's see inside like how much pigmented the contouring powder and highlighter powder are. There are total of nearly 5 shades. The first one is like a concealer, second is the highlighter, and it is very pigmented. This is for like a bronzing. It's honey for bronzing, and this last one is for walnut, is for the contour. It is darker brown, more toward the grayish tone. And last one is also a highlighter in white color shade. This is also like a light highlighter than a bronzer because it's more toward the grayish shade. This is from this episode. I hope you liked, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.